Guys, it looks like a show. The sunrise. Sunset. There's a race. It's like an arrow. In the person, it's not. In the picture, you cannot tell. There is, you see, it's like sunrise. For the Philippine flag, there is a sun in the middle of that white part. There's 3 stars and the sun in the middle, and then this one looks like that sun with oh yeah, you can tell here. This, that's the only. Wow, it looks like a show. I wanna change this figure into the flat.